This is Bob Sorrentino from Italian Roots and Genealogy with a quick tutorial on the Antenati. While it may be obvious, the first thing that you want to do is click the flag in the upper right hand corner and change it to the British flag. This will allow you to see the instructions in English, however the documents will be in Italian. There are two ways to search for records. I'm going to start with the name search first because if you have the first and last name of your ancestor and the birth, marriage, or death date, you can find the record faster. You do not need the location, but if you know it, it will get you there quicker. I'm going to enter the name of my grandfather, Luigi Nicoletti, born in 1888. Since I know he was born in Torito, it's easy to see that he is first on the list. If I click on the See Call sign, I get a little more information. Note the copy link on the right. This copies the URL so you can paste it in Ancestry.com or anywhere else. A nice ad from the previous version. When I click on Atto di Nascita, it takes me to the record number 146. Another great feature from this previous version are the controls in the upper right-hand corner. You can maximize the window, view thumbnails, adjust the brightness and contrast to help view the record. On the bottom, you can zoom in or out or move to the next record. If I enter Torito at the start, you see I go right to his record. Two things to know from the beginning is that while millions of records have been digitized, only a small percentage have been indexed. So you need to constantly check back. The other is that in many cases, the indexer did not get the name correct, so you need to try different combinations. For example, my second great-grandmother was Elisa Moore from Lucerne, Switzerland. I found her family as Moore, and Moeller. One sad thing is that some records seem to have vanished from the index when they move to a new platform. If I search Torito 1888, I get a list of the various registries for that year. With this, you can go right to the index. This is helpful if you are not 100% certain of the year. You can find the name and then go to that page. Here is Luigi Nicoletti on page 4, pointing to record 146. I hope this helps. I will point you to two other pages on the site for more detailed information. The site instructions and tools search guide.